the concept that started this company was so powerful. It was, if you have a 5.0 Mustang, I'm going to give you a kit and you're done, and you can build a car. And that was a blockbuster. That changed the industry. But there's a new concept that we started about a year ago, and that concept is, can I deliver to a customer a world-class supercar in kit form? So that means chassis, suspension, all the things that we do so well. The customer's still got to finish it, he's still got to build it himself and find his engine, but the bottom line is, when he's done, is he going to have a McLaren F1 or a Celine S7? Is he going to have a legitimate supercar?
The GTM project is one of the most exciting things happening at Factory 5. This new mid-engine supercar project involves an entire new line of engine possibilities based on the Chevrolet running gear. The concept behind this effort is to provide the at-home builder with the parts and assemblies to build a legitimate supercar. If you don't have the money for a Ferrari F50, McLaren F1, or a Celine S7, don't despair. The GTM promises to deliver comparable engineering, performance, and design in a package that the guy at home can build for himself.
What we decided to do was up the performance ante and really go with a car that has a lot more potential than anything we've done up to date. This car is based on Corvette running gear, similar to the concept we've used in the past with the Mustang. However, now instead of bolting Mustang running gear to the car, we take the suspension, the engine, some of the steering gear, the gas tanks, a lot more of the performance parts off the Corvette and bolt them onto our chassis, which gives us quite a bit higher performance envelope than we had with the Roadster.
We've designed the GTM 200 frame with really three main goals in mind. The first would be really a grouping of two things, strength and safety, which is common to everything that we design here at Factory 5 Racing. And we confirm those figures by using either physical experimentation or computer-aided software programs. The second would be the acceptance of the Corvette parts. Once again, we use computer-aided software to reverse engineer those parts and then mate them within the computer to the GTM 200 frame. And of course, the second method in which we confirm that the GTM 200 frame will accept those pieces would be to actually build the prototype. The third parameter that we designed the GTM 200 with would be driver comfort, where driver comfort would be confirmed by studies that the Society of Automotive Engineers have published and our own in-house testing. Driver comfort would be defined as legroom, headroom, harshness testing, vibration testing, and heat in the cockpit as well.
This is the chassis for the GTM 200. Basically what it is a tubular steel space frame that we've designed to accommodate all of the running gear from the Corvette, in addition to all of our body shell and the parts that we provide in order to get a complete car. The chassis is designed to take all of the suspension components, engine, a lot of the other running gear from the Corvette, and basically assemble it in a completely different layout so that it's now a mid-engine, low center of gravity supercar. What we've also done is a lot of work on the wiring to be able to use the factory Corvette wiring harness but eliminate quite a bit of the extra clutter.
The GTM project has involved more resources than all other Factory 5 racing projects combined. It represents our highest effort and ultimate interpretation of what a sports car should be. The projected cost for the GTM 200 supercar chassis kit is under $20,000. Development should be complete in 2005, and the first chassis should ship around the same time.
The GTM is really our own design, 100%. It's not necessarily based on or inspired by any particular car. It's more a hybrid, a homologation of a lot of different cars that I've loved over the years. And if you understand the concept behind the supercar, the execution of the supercar is really a beautiful design, which we had to nail, which I think we did. I want to prove that a small design team with modern tools can develop a car that can beat any car on the planet. That's the challenge. That's a tough one. I think we're going to do it, though.